Hi kids, welcome back to our robotics series. Today, we're going to learn about two amazing things that make our gadgets work, microprocessors and microcontrollers. Let's jump in and discover what makes them so cool. First, let's talk about microprocessors. Imagine the microprocessor as the brain of a computer. It thinks really fast and helps your computer do all sorts of things like playing games and watching videos. Microprocessors are complex and powerful, handling lots of tasks at high speeds. Now, let's talk about microcontrollers. Imagine a microcontroller as a smaller brain that controls specific things. It's like the brain in your toy robot that makes it move, or the brain in your microwave that heats up your food. Microcontrollers are designed for specific tasks and are commonly found in things like home appliances, cars, and even medical devices. Small in size, big in impact, microprocessors and microcontrollers revolutionize our tech world. Let's compare and contrast the two with different parameters. Role: microprocessor is the brain of a computer system. Microcontroller is the brain of an embedded system. Architecture: microprocessor needs external memory and peripherals. Microcontroller are highly integrated with on-chip peripherals. Processing power: microprocessor are powerful and handles complex tasks. Microcontroller are less powerful, but optimized for specific tasks. Power consumption: microprocessor consumes more power. Microcontrollers are power efficient and operates at lower voltages. Circuit complexity and flexibility: microprocessors are more complex circuits and highly flexible. Microcontrollers are simpler circuits and less flexible. Learning about microcontrollers is like discovering a whole new world of possibilities for young minds to explore and create amazing projects that light up their imagination and spark their curiosity. So, to sum up, microprocessors are great for general-purpose computing tasks, while microcontrollers are perfect for specific embedded systems. At Saras Robotics, students get to work with popular microcontroller platforms like Arduino and develop hands-on projects. This helps them understand and work with microcontrollers, preparing them to design and create amazing projects. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the world of microprocessors and microcontrollers. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. See you next time, and keep on innovating.